country has registered the world's first coronavirus vaccine early Tuesday. UN chief calls for an independent inquiry into the Beirut explosion. China selected 11 Americans in retaliation for US action. Turkish President Erdogan has appealed for an acceptable formula for energy exploration rights in the Eastern Mediterranean. Lebanon Prime Minister Hassan Diab has announced the resignation of his government after powerful Beirut port explosion. Kuwait and Iraq separately denied an attack that took place against a convoy carrying equipment for American bases. Apple, Facebook and Amazon say Trump's visa ban will harm skilled workers. The UK suffers the biggest job losses since 2009 as coronavirus takes a toll. Apple chief executive Tim Cook gets huge success as he became a billionaire.